So, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na, tayo na lang, love naman kita. So, you need to show it through your actions. Kumbaga, meron talaga, transactional talaga ang relationship. That's why sinasabi ko sa inyo na transactional lahat ng relationships. So, the best way is to find a relationship that is mutual. Mutual, ibig sabihin, both parties benefit, parehong may give and receive. Okay, ibig sabihin, merong reciprocation, and both feel respected and supported. So, kung titingnan mo pagdating sa sexual marketplace, mas may value ang pagbibigay ng safety and provision. Okay? Kasi sa panahon ngayon, hindi mo mabibigay ang safety and provision kung hindi ka abundant ng time, energy, and money. It costs you time, energy, and money to provide safety and provision. May halaga. So kung ikaw ang gatekeeper ng commitment, ikaw ang gatekeeper ng long-term provision and security, bakit ka magmamadali na mag-commit sa isang babae? Okay? Ganun mo na lang ba kadaling ibibigay yung mga resources at assets mo na pinaghihirapan mo? Again, hindi renewable ang time, hindi magic ang energy, at hindi rin bigla-bigla ka na lang nagkakaroon ng pera. As a man, pinaghihirapan natin yung mga bagay na yan. And yung mga bagay na yan, ang tawag natin dyan ay valuable resources. Kasi itong mga resources na to, yung time, energy, and money mo is pwede mong magamit in order for you to build the lifestyle you want to provide for yourself and for your family.